called a digestive. It's supposed to be good for your digestion. That's what she says anyway. Okay.
I put all the stuff back in.
Cool. Do you like having a friend bird? No.
Dogs chase cats.
Yeah, you can train your dog not to chase a cat, and you can train a dog not to chase a bird, because they would chase a bird too. And they can all be friends. Oh, Phoebe. So beautiful. She likes to come and visit us a lot lately, hasn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Just likes a break from taking care of all the things in the cage.
That's a stain.
Yeah. Oh, this is great. She loves you. I love that she loves you.
This is not food.
No, don't let her eat that because it's got salt in it.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Doo-doo. You can talk to her like that. Good girl, Phoebe. Good girl, Phoebe.